project management tool is very easy to use, and we'll now demonstrate it by going through a flooring example. The first screen we see is the login, where each user has his unique ID and password. Once logged in, there are a number of jobs we can select from. We flick across the images to select the particular job in which we want to input the information. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're selecting this hospital project. The system allows for numerous blocks within a project, so we can select which block we want. In this case, we'll select block E. Upon selecting the block, we then need to select the level in which we're working. These buttons on the left-hand side represent the different levels. Once the level is selected, the floor plan appears in this window here. We now have the floor plan in the center of the screen, and on the left-hand side we have work status buttons, and below that we have floor plan navigation buttons, which are used to select a particular room. Each room is identified individually, so to select a room we simply double click on it. These headings on the left hand side represent different tasks involved in completing the floor finishes in the room. These bars on the left hand side represent percentages complete of that particular task. To update, we simply slide across the bars. By doing this, we are automatically updating the progress, valuation, as built and materials reports in the database. If we come across a problem which we need to log, we can select it from one on the predefined list, or alternatively, if it's not on the list, we can type it in the notes box. We can also add pictures and documents in this window here to give us a complete record of what has happened in this room. To save the updates, we simply click on this button. These work status buttons represent the different stages in which the rooms are at. This tick icon represents rooms which are complete. This icon represents rooms which are complete but a delay was encountered during their completion. This red flag represents rooms in which there is a problem and the main contractor needs to rectify it before works can proceed. This icon represents rooms in which work is in progress. This icon represents rooms in which we are programmed to start but have not yet started. And this clock icon represents rooms in which we are programmed to have finished but have not yet finished. So, with all the buttons pressed, you can see instantly how the project is progressing. Supervisors can easily allocate resources and materials, ultimately saving time and money.